Hi, I'm Dr. Mark Eltis. I'd like to talk to you about one of the most common problems I see in the office, dry eye. In today's work environment, most people are spending a large majority of their day at the computer. So a lot of these people come in saying, I think I need glasses because my eyes are kind of sore, they get red, burning, there's some stinging or watering. And most of the time, these people are just suffering from some dryness related to a lot of computer work or from their general environment. So while you should always see your eye care professional if you're having problems, I'd like to talk to you about some simple tips to help with dry eye in the office. Number one, it's important to take frequent breaks when you're working at the computer. So about every 20 minutes, you want to look out into the distance. This will not only decrease dryness, but it'll stop that feeling you get when you get up from hours of computer work and you're all blurry out in the distance. I compare it to an exam where you'd write for 3 hours and your hand would be all clenched. It's just the eyes are constantly focusing on the same spot to get clenched into that position. Number two, you want to remember to blink. If you walk around the office, you'll notice a lot of people are staring out into zombie land at the computer because they're so concentrated on what they're doing, they're actually overriding their natural impulse to blink. So what you want to do is remember to keep blinking when you're at the computer or if you're playing video games. That'll definitely help with dryness. Number three, you can also increase the humidity in the room with a humidifier. A lot of these office environments have very dry air, whether it's in the winter with heating or in the summer with air conditioning. Another thing you can do is use artificial tears, but what I'd suggest is see your eye care professional first and have an assessment. They may find you have something that predisposes you to dryness, a condition like Blepharitis, which is an inflammation of the eyelids or the glands associated with the tears. Generally, most people experience some form of dryness from computer use or just from their working environment. The best thing you can do is see your eye care professional, discuss your concerns, and have them take a good look at your health and your prescription and see what could be done to improve your condition.